want to do you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Blessing my viewers and subscribers. I don't know what's a NEWLINK there from NEWLINK production. So people, you don't know, you remember the other day when NEWLINK did cover the story, and it's where two teenagers was gunned down in the community of Craigtown in Kingston, people. And you don't know what's a NEWLINK did give you some update on it, people. Now I'm going to give you a different version of it, people, and it's where a mother of one of these young men who was gunned down, people, and she's sharing her final moments of she and her son, people. So let me just get into this article, people, and the year will go on. Winsome Donald spent her 45th birthday mourning the tragic loss of her second son, 17-year-old Javon Shinehead Christie, who was murdered in Craigtown, St. Andrew on Saturday. So, Rooster, ease yourself, people. So, Rooster kind of give him back a local job now. So, that's why you hear him just now. Let me continue. Me see him yesterday morning and me send him go buy a bath soap. And him come back with the wrong soap. So I tell him I want a carbolic. And him say, Mommy, man, alright. Make me carry it back. When him come back, him look at me and say, Mommy, happy birthday. That is the last thing my son said to me. Alright. Young Christie and 15-year-old Alan Thompson were killed by cowards who sprayed them with bullets in their community while they were at a friend's birthday party around 10:30 a.m. 5 other children, including a 6-year-old, were also shot and injured. Christie's mother said on Saturday was the worst birthday she has had. I am gonna always remember this because it happened on my birthday. Trust me, it's rough. I don't know how me I gonna make it through this, she said. Him not come in like a son. Him is more like a brother. You know how a brother and sister live loving? That was my child. And him always a say him want make it in life so him can help out him mother, she said with tears in her eye. Josette Donald, aunt of the deceased, described her nephew as an affectionate person. My nephew was a nice, loving person. Anything he beg me give him it. Me love my nephew and my niece them because me not have no children, so me love them. She admitted that this is a hard pill to swallow after losing her brother in a similar way. Me lose my brother by gunshot and now my nephew in him young days. Last night me no sleep, From 5 o'clock me wake up and sit down in the yard a ball because me can't start remember about my nephew and me can't get over it, she said. Likewise, Shinehead's grandmother described him as a precious. Is a youth like this anything at all me tell him to do? Him not refuse. Him just jump at it. Such a good child. Me I tell you, she said. Me no know when me I go overcome it. But me beg God to help me, she said. So, as I can see my viewers and my subscribers, it's really sad. You understand? This son, 17-year-old young man, was gunned down on his mother birthday, people. And just imagine if this was any one of you, my viewers and my subscribers, knowing that you lose your son on the day when you shall be celebrating your birthday. And you can see what the mother is saying, people. The relationship they have is like brother and sister, not just like a son, the way they live loving together. So this gonna be something really hard for this mother, you know what I mean? And it's really terrible. And it's where I'm telling the youths of Jamaica, you understand? The bag of gun thing, the bag of crime thing, you need to put it down. Stop killing off on the brothers and sisters. Stop. It don't make no sense. You understand? It don't make no sense. Because they're saying go by this, You live by the gun and you're gonna die by the gun. Because I do these things, I'm gonna maybe feel everything good and everything great. But the next man I go slap out in the head back same way. You understand? So not destroy other people's life and not destroy phone life at the same time. For some things we could avoid. You know what I mean? So the youth them need to look more in themselves now. Pray more in themselves, them want to go forward. And just stop the foolishness. It really don't make no sense. You know what I mean? It's sad and it's terrible. So you don't know the thing of my viewers and my subscribers, man. You don't know say a NEWLINK there now with their people and we giving thanks to life. You know what I mean? And you don't know how me do it, people. I always try to just give a roundup on any story where we cover people. You know what I mean? Once I get the update or anything towards it, we just go and give it the roundup of it, people. So you don't know. Thanks to the love, thanks to the support, thanks to everyone who subscribe. And I just want to send out a special big up to everyone in Barbados. You understand? Because the people in my Barbados, I say NEWLINK. You do a big up for them, don't big up no Barbados. And you have so much fans to Barbados. So big up to each and everyone in Barbados. We big up everywhere still, Jamaica, the whole place. You understand? But Barbados, big up on yourself. You understand? So you don't know, people. Remember to please do subscribe. When I do subscribe, please hit that notification bell icon so when NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. And please remember to do follow us on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official. Follow us on Facebook, NEWLINK production. On Twitter, NEWLINK production. I don't know people, we say attack. Remember, subscribe.